Hey there, coders! Today, I want to share with you some of my favorite hacks for making your code faster and better. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tips will help you take your coding skills to the next level. So let's get started. Hack number 1. Write clean and well-organized code. The first hack is simple, but often overlooked. Write clean and well-organized code. This means using descriptive variable names, commenting your code, and breaking down your code into smaller, manageable chunks. This will not only make your code easier to read and maintain, but it will also help you avoid bugs and improve performance. Hack number 2. Use the right data structures. Different data structures are optimized for different tasks, so it's important to choose the right one for your needs. For example, if you need to search through large amounts of data quickly, you might want to use a hash table instead of a linked list. By choosing the right data structure for the job, you can significantly improve the performance of your code. Hack number 3. Optimize loops and functions. Loops can be one of the slowest parts of your code, so it's important to optimize them as much as possible. This might involve using more efficient algorithms, such as binary search, or avoiding redundant calculations. Hack number 4. Use caching and pre-computation. By storing intermediate results in memory, you can avoid repeating expensive calculations and improve performance. For example, if you need to perform the same calculation multiple times, you might store the result in a cache and retrieve it instead of recalculating it every time. Hack number 5. Test and profile your code. This means running your code through various tests to see how it performs, and looking for areas that can be improved. You can use tools like profilers to help you identify slow parts of your code and make optimizations. And there you have it, folks. 5 simple hacks for making your code faster and better. Remember, the key to writing great code is to always be learning and experimenting, so don't be afraid to try new things and find what works best for you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips and tricks. See you in the next video.